Hi grade 12s, I hope you're doing good. So in this video, we'll be looking at geometric sequences. So what is the definition of this? A geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers in which each new term, except for the first one, is calculated by multiplying the previous term by a constant value r, which is called the constant ratio. So what does this mean? This means that if we have the first term here, in order for us to get the second term, we get the second term by multiplying the first term by r. And in order for us to get, okay, this is the first term, right? And in order for us to get the third term, we multiply the second term by r. This is the second term, this is the first term. So I hope this makes sense. So in order for us to get the Tn, or the nth term, we multiply by n minus 1 r's, or we multiply a by, in order for us to get the nth term, we multiply a by n minus 1 r's, or the constant ratio, multiplied by n minus 1 times. So this implies that the general formula for a geometric sequence is Tn equals to a to the power r minus 1. So the nth term is the first term is equals to the first term multiplied by a constant ratio n minus 1 times. Just hope that makes sense. So a represents the first term, as you all know, and r is the constant ratio. How do you find the constant ratio? You just divide the two two consecutive terms. Tn over Tn minus 1. So it can be T3 over T2, T5 over T4, and etc. And then we now come to the most important question. How do you determine whether a sequence that you have is a geometric sequence? Here's the answer. The answer is that you check the ratios between the consecutive terms. So this ratio. So if this ratio is constant, if you check the ratios and you find that all the ratios are equal, then the sequence is geometric. And if they are not equal, then that sequence is not geometric. It's only geometric if they are constant or equal. So this, for the sequence to be geometric, this is what you get. T2 over T1 must be equal to T3 over T2. Therefore, this is geometric. I just hope that makes sense. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, where I give examples on how to apply this theory. Bye. Take care.